When I first started this thing up, I shut it right off and I was like, did anybody else hear that? Like, it sounds like the engine's...
Yeah, put your foot on the clutch. Put your foot on the clutch.
Coming to the side here, you might be able to see the scratches on the red.
You can see up there.
On the red pressure plate. See it? Scoring all the way around in a circle. Look right, if you come back here, look through, you can see it right through this little hole right here. If you look right through this way, I'll hold the light for you. Come back this way. Yeah, inside there. Just the clutch fork's riding on the outside of the pressure plate. Yeah. So this looks like it's a factory trans, but he put a Jay-Z bell housing on it. So it must be like a W58.
Oh, wow.
No, that's galvanized steel. That's galvanized steel.
That looks like Edgar did it. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey. I'd have done a little better than that.
True. Hey. Hello, everyone. Okay, so you guys are stuck with me because Edgar doesn't have any time. Beginning to like a Halloween movie.
Who put this stupid ass bar in?
Maybe the whole. We're gonna be testing some stuff for World Cup tonight. But anyway, Leo's here, so I just figured I'll just update everybody what's going on in the shop. We got Leo here with the Supra because,
if you look in here and you take a glance inside the gas tank, it looks clean. No particles, no stuff floating around. But we noticed that all of the fuel components, lines, injectors, filter and stuff had like this gelatin-like residue. So I'm gonna stick my hand inside of this quote-unquote clean fuel and get you a little goop of what we got going on.
Oh, gross.
Yep. So.
Slime.
Yeah.
That's some E85 jelly.
Yep. So.
Ew.
Oh, yeah.
So we have the engine in the S13 coupe. Dude, whoever crunched this hood, hold on, let me show you. This poor hood has just seen better days. Somebody just... Okay, hold on. So she back in there. All nice and purdied up. So we should be getting that going pretty soon. We have John's Neo, and we're doing a top mount turbo, link ECU, all the goodies. We got the nice Garrett 6-boost manifold and our catch can. We've actually been actively working on this one because we have most of the parts. We're waiting on the top half plasma intake manifold. And we have a core here that is ready to go in. I just have to take the bumper off and stuff. Let's see. Oh, we got Preston here. We got to do some fab on this and install the link. Poor Jeff. We are waiting on literally a fuel system for about 4 weeks now. Longer than expected. So hopefully that'll come soon because the engine is in this car. What else is new? What else is new? Oh, I'll show you. Okay. Brian just dropped his car off today. This is going to be a Brian Roche built 2.8 stroker, but right now there's a Neo in it, and we're going to take a look, touch up some things, and then get it tuned. Anthony is almost done. Diff is in, new trim is in, and the fan, everything looks great under the hood. I'm not going to pop it because I'm just not right now. I guess I could. I don't know if I ever showed you guys. His car is immaculate. Pretty snazzy. Yeah, there's not much that is not shiny and beautiful. This is really a showstopper. Cannot take credit for this one. This is Anthony's build. And we're just helping him get the little tiny things done. And it is just a pretty girl. Anyway, we can admire this another day. I'll put this girl back to sleep. Night, night. Okay, here's Cliff's car. Oh man, none of these are popped. It's killing me today. Okay, so Cliff's Supra is almost done. Just needs a tune. No, but really, it's practically just needs a tune at this point. I think there's a couple other things that Edgar wants to touch up beforehand. Maybe just final look-ats. But this has come a long way. We just got his new turbo like a couple... I don't know. I think we got his turbo last week, possibly. It's new. It's at HPT. But the main thing with this is that this car was on Pro EFI, and now it is on a Link ECU. Thank the ECU God. This GTR is Nick. He came in for a clutch, which was done, and I think to tune, clutch and tune. Yeah, we're not going to tune it right now. We're going to just get it. There's some mechanical issues and stuff that we're going to work on fixing before we tune it. Lummy. This is Brandon's girl. He's got the 2 Supras, and now they had a baby Lexus IS 300. Love it. So this girl's stock. She just needs some maintenance right now, but big plans for her. We're gonna we have a lot of work ahead of us for this one. There's all new suspension. So just imagine that full of parts. This Calvin Skyline. This is almost ready as well. We have to change the window actuator because this bitch doesn't want to go up. Tidy this up a bit, but she's running and she's good. This is a beautiful car as well. Got some of our signature biddies on there and some not, but this is a long time coming for Calvin. We are very happy for him, so should be wrapping this one up soon, guys. So we'll have a lot of dyno stuff for you all. Oh yeah, and here's our crusty turd with the dirt flip.
This bushing back here is shot. Let's see. The upper control on bushing in the back. But I don't think that's the problem. It felt weird. It wasn't like a shake. It was like the car just started steering on its own.
There's no jack stand on this?
No.
Oh, and there's Shitbox Nation. That's our daily. Anyway, these are our peoples. We love you guys. Thank you so much for trusting us, really, with your cars. I'll grab some footage, maybe, of us doing some testing tonight. So cool to hear that thing rip. Yeah, sorry. We're trying to get some stuff going, and we haven't been posting a lot, but we do appreciate you guys so much. Keep following along, and I'll keep showing you some of the stuff that's in the shop and some of the cool stuff that's going around. Oh, yeah, people that you have not seen also. There are 4 other cars here. They're in the dyno room. Matt, I gotta cut all your last names out because I feel like I'm just like blowing up your shit. So we got Matt with the GTR. That's a build. We have the engine back. I think we are assembling that soon. We may be waiting on something. This is what happens. We have the Q40 something loaner donor parts car with my brother's Z, which we need to do a clutch on. Trinell. It's my other Neo buddy. So yeah, and I'll show you kind of what's going on, how this goes each week. I'm gonna try to at least do this so you can, if you want to follow along with these builds, because they're cool. if I do this, we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Well, right out there.
As always, though, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Bye-bye. Never knew you did hydraulic low riders.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that really smells like Totems.
Looks like a dick.